या खुदा, जिस्म में जब तक मेरी ये जान रहे, तुझ पे सदक़े मेरे महबूब पे ये कुर्बान रहे। मौला ख्वाजा अली, मौला मैं तो मौला. We feel that it's India's first interactive musical documentary theatre performance. ख्वाजा अली, मौला ख्वाजा अली, मौला धारा दिल दारे दानी. Just to clarify what documentary theatre means. So documentary theatre is a form of play, it's a format of theatre where the actors play themselves and they talk about their own lives. So, so essentially with Sounds of the Sufis, what we are doing is that we are playing ourselves. So I'm playing myself in the play and I'm talking about real life incidents that have happened in my life. She's playing Priyanka Patel, I'm playing Anurag Dhondial, he's playing Karan Chitra Deshmukh, and we are talking about our own personal lives, our own sort of journeys that have led us to this point.
So we're performing tonight, that is 27th March, Sunday, at the Habitat Center Amphitheatre. The performance Sounds of the Sufis begins at 7 p.m. We hope to see all of you there.
There are tickets available at the venue as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the tickets available on Book My Show and at the venue. So if you reach there a little early, before 7 o'clock, then you can buy your tickets and have a good seat.
Almost full house.
Yeah.
It's an open air amphitheater, so come, feel free to come say hi to us when you're there. And we'll see you there soon.